It's warm out here today. What's going on? I went ahead and got the peppers and the tomatoes out. Some of them anyway. Got jalapenos here. And then these are, yeah, that's bananas over there. Bananas, and then coming back up, that's gonna be bananas too. I'm either gonna have to buy more or wait till mine get big enough. Just after that cold snap, they didn't really recover too good, unfortunately. So that's kind of a drag. So I just been buying them. You know, like I said in my last one, I ain't got much time. You know, I need to get this stuff out in the next week at the latest. Actually, in all honesty, I need to get it out in the next probably Tuesday. Damn, I think it's supposed to start raining here on Wednesday and rain for about 4 days. So I need to get it out today. Was today Monday? And then, yeah, Tuesday. And then maybe Wednesday if it's not a washout. I got my tomatoes here. Got celebrities. Got 7 in each row, so I got 21 right now. There'll be a little bit more. Them are celebrities. Better boy, because I had good luck with them last year. And there's a couple, there's one on each row that's one that I grew that I don't know what it is because I lost track of them. It could be Yellow Pear, could be Homestead, could be Hurley Girl, or Sweet Million, I think is what it was. It was 4 different ones, but yeah. And then I've got these marked, these 4. That's gonna be yellow squash, zucchini, up and down. I just got them marked. I'm gonna put them seeds out tomorrow, more than likely. But I threw some triple 10 down there in the rows just to kind of spice up the soil a little bit. It ain't too bad though. There's a lot of worms in there when I was digging around today. But yeah, that's what's going on. So peppers are in, and then the tomatoes. I'm gonna put the squashes in tomorrow. And then I went ahead and put my cucumbers in up by the fence this morning. I just went ahead and got them in real quick because they're easy. You know, they don't take much. But yeah, got all these. They ain't gonna come in time. I don't know if anybody is if anybody's in Gainesville around the area that might want some, let me know. I'll give them to you. Or if you want to be nice, you can bring me a case of beer too. Whatever. You don't have to, but I'm probably gonna end up just buying them, and then I'll get rid of these, give them away or something. But yeah, it's definitely warm out now. Got the warm going on, and it's pretty though. I mean, it's nice, right? So we'll see how it does this year. Tomatoes, squash, zucchini, peppers, and then there'll be more peppers up there, and then some tomatoes, and then back by that fence back there I've got some places I'm gonna put some watermelon in. I'm gonna put them in just sporadic areas, about 6 or 7 plants, and let them do their thing back there. So yeah, that's what's going on. But I'll do another update in a few days, I guess. See y'all later.